Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. Welcome on into the show. This is just going to be a quick one because obviously, as you can see there, the price of silver down $1.18, 4.3%. I can't even imagine what my Twitter feed looks like with questions of why is the silver price down, which is a legitimate question by all means, although fortunately, I'll give you my explanation. Here is the volume chart, and would you believe that, look, right as the price drops, big spike of volume there all throughout the morning. And then again here as the price dropped again, going below 27, heavy volume there. I mean, it's really to the letter. Bart Chilton laid this out for everybody a couple of years ago when he explained what the CFTC refused to acknowledge. So on one hand, great opportunity to think about the emotion of trading. I've been realizing, especially with all the things we've lived through in this past month alone, how much the psychological impact plays in. And if you see Jeff Curry on TV telling you why you're a Fruit Loop if you think silver might ever go up, then ask him or see if the interviewer asks him to explain the volume or any of his other comments. These things are designed to throw you off your game. They're designed to leave people feeling scared. They're designed to take your money and get you to make bad decisions. You don't have to take my word for it. Read about any of these banks, the last decade before that, the 100 years before that. I've been finding out all sorts of wild stuff and clues myself, which I'll be looking forward to sharing. I'll also mention I did just talk to Andy Schechtman of Miles Franklin. He said people are just buying right now. They don't care about the premium, although I will bring him on for a short appearance, hopefully in the next hour. I asked him to check with the U.S. Mint what he is hearing there to get an update from some of the wholesale dealers. I see someone just mentioned a comment about the Exchange Stabilization Fund. Obviously, they did not call me to inform me of what they're doing today, but I'll just say when I think about all the things that I have seen and heard in my lifetime studying silver, I would be comfortable. I'll put it like this. If I had to make an even money bet on whether the Exchange Stabilization Fund was in there heavily today, I would certainly prefer the yes side. Again, you can make your own decisions on that. But anyway, in terms of why is silver down, silver is down because someone dumped an insane amount of paper on the COMEX. Who knows, maybe Jeff Curry was hedging again. Will be interesting to see the inflows at the end of the day into SLV, what they're reporting there. I couldn't even begin to imagine. Yeah, M2 stock money supply no longer being reported by the St. Louis Fed, as contrarian dealer mentions. Day before the Fed goes down. Day before the short squeezes kick up again. And then yesterday we have a bond market crisis, which we'll be covering again later today. A lot happening. And just for anyone, if you can share this, I try to not, well, maybe I do say share them all the time, but I mean, certainly to a lot of people who are watching this and confused right now, not to say my explanation is always the correct one or that there are not other views, but that's what I'm seeing, and hopefully this is helpful in terms of explaining what's going on here.